next step is to load the filament into our 3D printer. So from our display, we will select material, followed by load. So right now the extruder is heating up. This is what will heat the 3D printing material so that it can load properly. Our extruder is heating up. Once it reaches 235 degrees, a message will pop up with your next instructions. We'll say push the tip of the material into the guide slot until you feel it being pulled in. So our next step is to take the case off of our filament garage. Next, we put our wheel on with the filament being placed coming up under. Under here, there is a little spot where we will push the filament up until it feels like it's being grabbed. So it might take a few tries, but you're gonna push it up and you'll feel it catch, and you'll hear a noise like that, showing that it is pulling into the machine. It may take a few minutes for the material to extrude. The filament is heating up and it's being pushed through the system. So once we start to see filament coming out of the nozzle, we will press next. Now see the filament coming out of the extruder. So now we can press next on our control panel. Please note the extruder is very hot. And you have finished loading your material. Once your filament has been loaded, you want to make sure to put the cover back on the garage here, because keeping air away from this allows our filament to last as long as possible. Any silica packs that come with the filament, I suggest keeping in a plastic bag so that during summer storage, you can put the filament in with these to keep them lasting for a long time.